Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Savannah LaDell, and if you're returning, then welcome back. Today's video is actually going to be my Ancestry DNA updated results for the second time. If you have been on my channel, you know a few times out of the year I've done a couple of Ancestry videos. It's just really interesting to me. I love figuring out where I come from and also just like learning who my ancestors were. And learning who my ancestors are, because it's just really interesting. And a lot of my family members can't tell me a lot of things like going past their grandparents. So with Ancestry, I've actually been able to find like my great-great-great-grandfather, which I'll actually insert a picture. Tell me if you think that we look alike or not. People say something like in our nose and eyes look alike, and I actually see it. So it's actually pretty dope. If you guys haven't watched my previous videos and want to, I will link them right here. I'm gonna link my very first Ancestry DNA video right here if you want to check that out. And then I'll also now link my second video, which is my first update that I got. And then I've also done one with my brother, and then I've also recently just did one where I'm comparing my results and my mom's results. This is before the recent update. I know that's a lot, but hopefully that makes sense. Basically, before I get into the video, which I will quickly do that because that's probably why you clicked on this, I just want to explain what the Ancestry DNA updates are. Basically, obviously your DNA can't change. It's your DNA, okay? So that can't change, but they say that their science changes and their their data changes. So as they collect more information, they're supposedly supposed to be able to give you more accurate results. Now, y'all, my results have changed so much. I mean, obviously I am African, like I have African descent, I'm a black woman, so I know that's there, but just so many little things have changed that it's honestly crazy at this point. I'm just like, what are they gonna give me now? So this is my second update. I guess I'll first just quickly go through my updated results, and then I'll compare them to I'll compare my last update to this current update. Here are my updated Ancestry DNA results. I'm gonna go from greatest to least. So I got 32% Nigeria, 24% Cameroon, Congo, and Southern Bantu peoples, 13% Benin, Togo, 12% Mali, and then 7% England, Wales, and Northwestern Europe, 4% Ireland and Scotland, 2% Norway, 2% Ghana, 1% Southern and Eastern African hunter-gatherers, wow, that was long, 1% Spain, 1% Senegal, and 1% Eastern Bantu peoples. Okay, so those are my updated results. Most of it is actually the same, but a lot of it did change, which we'll get into that now. So, okay. On my updated results, I got Nigeria for my biggest percentage. On my previous results, Nigeria was nowhere to be found. However, on my previous results, I did get 35% Cameroon, Congo, and Southern Bantu peoples, which Cameroon and Nigeria are right by each other. So I kind of understand why those could have fluctuated, but it's just crazy that it's now back on my results. If you look at my original video, I was like 42% Nigerian. Then on my update, it went away. And then now on the second update, it's back again. So it's like, what? On my updated results, I have 24% for Cameroon, Congo, and Southern Bantu peoples. On my last results, I had the 35%. On my updated results, I have Benin, Togo, 13%. On my previous results, I had 26% for that. My new results, I have 12% Mali. Last time I got 9% Mali. My new results, I have 7% for England, Wales, and Northwestern Europe, and I had 6% last time, so it went up a little bit, pretty much the same. And then Ireland and Scotland, I had 4%, and last time I also had 4%, so that stayed the same. This time I have 2% Norway, and last time I had 2% Norway, so that stayed the same. Ghana, I got 2% this time around, and last time I got 13%, and on the last results it actually said Ivory Coast / Ghana 13%, and on this one it just says Ghana 2%, so kind of interesting. So on this one, updated one, the most current one, it says 1% Southern and Eastern African hunter gatherers. Oh my gosh. And then on my old one, it said 1% African South Central hunter gatherers. So that stayed the same. I also got 1% Spain on my current results. I had 1% on my previous results. Senegal, 1% on this current result. And then last time I didn't even get Senegal. So Senegal wasn't even on my last update. And then I got 1% Eastern Bantu peoples this time around, and I didn't, well, yeah, no, I did, well, I got, hold on. Last time they combined it all. They did Cameroon, Congo, and Southern Bantu peoples, and it was like 35% for like all of it. So it looks like they basically like narrowed it down, like, okay, we think you're pretty much from this area, but we can't pinpoint it. And so now it looks like they've been able to kind of pinpoint it more. Now, some things that were not on this current update, but that were on my previous update, I had 1% Native American, North, Central, South. That's gone. I had 1% Italy. That's gone. I had 1% Baltic states, which is gone. And that was it. So those are my updated Ancestry DNA results, and then I also compared my current results with my previous update, which I know can get confusing. I thought it'd be interesting to update you guys and just see how much it changes. I'm really interested to see how often they're gonna do these updates. Last time we got an update was last year. So this is the second time around since I've taken my test that they've done an update. And so yeah, I'm just really interested to see how many updates they're gonna do, how often are they gonna do the updates. Is my stuff always gonna change? So yeah, if you guys enjoy Ancestry DNA videos, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram at LaDell, and give this video a big thumbs up so more people can see it. Let me know if you want to see any other type of Ancestry videos. I've actually tested some family members. The family members have gotten updates, so if you guys want me to do any videos with them, let me know in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.